Boom, 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 boom. Good morning, everyone. Morning, morning, morning. Right, let's see. Maybe take a few minutes for people to come on, if anybody's free today. Oh, we have somebody already. Right, let me find my live. Say hi if you're here. Can I share this to my group? Hi, Ali. Let me share it to my group. Ta-da! Hello, Hazelan. Looking forward to seeing you in a week or so. When is it? What day is it today? Yeah, a couple of weeks yet. 10 days. Oh, bless you. Bless. So I'm not sure what to make today. I've got two kind of projects that I've made before. Right, let's see. Here it's live. So we've got Ali and Hazelan. And someone else that's staying quiet in the shadows. What a gorgeous day it is. Very windy here. So, yeah, it's a bit cold outside. I've got the heating on. Shock horror. Shock horror. Hi, Hazel. How are you? You good? You good? My eyes look a bit red this morning. Ooh. So, how is everyone? Got a big mess in the background here. Right, I'll flip it around that way. That looks like a wee bit of better view. There we go. Hi, Janet. How are you? So, I thought today we could make a little holder for these little nail files. Hi, Sharida. Hi, Diana. I've made this before. Morning, Michelle. Or we could make this flying seagull fold type card that I had a look online ages ago. One of the ladies in my team set a challenge for us. And what I've come up with, just by looking at some images, not measurements of that, isn't quite a seagull fold, flying seagull fold, but it still looks all right. Hi, Lisa. So I thought I might make that. This is what it looks like. So it's like quite a dramatic woo. And I thought if I used the lovely Frames and Flowers Designer Series paper, which is down here somewhere. Hi, Jackie. How are you? Oh, where is it now? Where is it? Where is it? Let me find it. Because I'm being good and I'm trying to use up all my cards. So I thought maybe use this. And then we can decorate the front with the ephemera die pop-outs that comes with this pack. So this is a 6x6 card. So, hello, hello. You're looking fair bra. I don't feel fair bra today. I've yet to have my my bubble bath and stuff, but I've got a wee bit tidying up to do. A washing and hang up rather. I've already swept and mopped, or should I say steam mopped my floors this morning, so started swaps at 3, yay! Hi Jane! So I've got my swaps here. I don't want to give too much away. I've still to decorate them. So, excuse me. So they're all here, but there's also some in there, so there's 40 altogether. And I've just got to decorate each of them. And I thought about using, I'm going to put little flowers on them, Country Bird House dies. So I'm going to have to die cut 40 of this. What one am I going to use? Yeah, I'm going to use this one and this one. And then I've just noticed there's a smaller one that matches this. So that goes with that. So you can layer up your little petals and what have you. But I'm going to do that one and that one. So I need to die cut. Hi Katrina, how are you? Hope you're well. I'm going to see you. Not next weekend, the weekend after. Brilliant. Well, so should we do the Seagull fold then? And I'll pop that little nail file holder thingy away. So let me get that light on. See how it shines up there? It's a bit annoying. Hazel won't be there this time, hoping to get to the autumn one. Your mama's going to be there, isn't she? In the Crafty Stamping Club group, there is a sketch. This is a Stampin' Up sketch. So here's my take on it. Do join in if you can. And again, this was using the frames from the Frames and Flowers DSP. Oh, you're not coming now? Aw. It's wanting squishy Katrina cuddles. Hi Janet, how are you? Aw, that's a shame. That's a shame. Right, so I have, as you know, when I've got a project that I design, it starts off scribbly wibbles like this. And then it goes like that. So this is the card. I forgot I had this actually. So it kind of folds out. So it goes like that. So I think we'll make that. It's quite nice. And I'll probably use the rest of my and it all folds flat, 6x6. I'll probably use quite a lot of that DSP pack, but it's fine because I'm going to order more anyway. Because it's lovely. It is lovely. Oh yeah, and there was my kind of practice one. It's all different scores. Right, so that was in there. Right, that's good. Let me get it. And then I'll flip everybody round. Oops. So, I have two colleagues that's on holiday this time around. Oh, I see. It's strange because the last summer retreat, which was a different time in the month, my husband had to, I'll just flip you around while I'm chatting. My husband had to, he was working down Haywards Heath. He had to come back early on the Thursday and take the Friday off so I could go down to Birmingham. And the exact same's happened this year. He's going to have to fly home from away down south. Fly home on the Thursday night so that I can go to the retreat. What's the chances? So this is it here. This is on my website, so help yourselves. It does use quite a bit of paper. Right, so let's decide. So I think I'll use this biggest sheet. So we need to be careful with this one. This one's kind of directional. And then we've got this half-used sheet, and that's it, nearly all done. And we have this piece. I'll see if I can get all the panels the same. I need to just watch how I cut it. Right, so that's that to the side. So I think the card base, let's see what colour. I'm going to sneeze, sorry. I've not long taken my heat fever tablets. El Espresso, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green. Do you know what? I might use Pumpkin Pie. No, I might use Pretty Peacock, Soft Sea Foam for the mat. Yep, that's what we'll do. Pretty Peacock and Soft Sea Foam. Let me get them out. Pretty Peacock, Soft Sea Foam, where are you? I've got lots of these. Hazel Ann has a Father's Day card to make. Oh yeah, definitely, you should. Definitely. And Hazel says she's got 2 to make. Hi Sophie. How's my wee bubba? We will be at the Leo's first birthday party, honey. I forgot to message you back. Right, so we need this one first. Right, so I need to get my trimmer root. So, you're going to need 3 sheets of A4 or 2.5 sheets. I'll get this bit out. Is this going to do 6x6? No, I need 3 sheets. Right, put all this away. Pretty Peacock's really, really nice. I've not got the ink out yet, but I will. Right, hang on, I'm just trying to get organised. Right, I need a trimmer. So, we need 2 pieces that measure 6 by 10. So, let's just butt that up to the 6-inch mark. And then 10. I think I need to put this up a bit. It's a bit close. There you go. That's a bit better. So 6 by 10. I've not made this in ages. There's piece 1. By 10. Just talk to myself. It doesn't say on this how many people are watching, by the way. Never mind. Okay, and 1 piece that is 6 by 6. So 2 pieces that are 6 by 10 and 1 piece 6 by 6. Oh God, I need to get rid of these nails. I can't pick anything up proper. Right, what's everyone's plans today? Anything exciting? We're gonna tidy the garden. In fact, I was going to actually hose down the fake grass. So I need to do all that before I go for my bath. Right. Okay, now scoring. We are going to score alongside at the top. We need our arm out. You need to score it 2, 4 and 7. So make sure your wee cutting blades out the road. So 2, 4 and 7. So do that in the 2 big pieces. 2, 4 and 7. Fab. Right, so that's all the scoring for that. I'll show you how we're going to fold it. We need to fold mountain, valley, like so. This bit is going to fold in itself, and that is where, is it? That's where the 6 by 6 piece goes on. Yeah, it is. So mountain, valley, valley, and then you do the same with the other side. So, like that. So these are the 2 3-inch panels that I talk about in my tutorial sheet. So, these fold back in against themselves, like so. So you want to burnish that good. Where it is my bone folder. Burnish all the lines good. Because when it folds flat, you want it to be nice and flush. Flush, flush, flush. Awesome. Right, so this piece, this 6 by 6, is going to go on the top there. So you need to make sure that all the edges are lining up. Easy peasy. So I think what I'll do is I'll use wet glue so I've got a little bit of wiggle room. Oops, not too close to the edge though. Right, so concentration. So you see how that's folded back in the way, that 3-inch panel. And then we glue it on the other side, like so. Sometimes it's hard to see if you're using a kind of like a dark paper. Hi Tina, hi Audrey, hi Lorraine, hi Gillian. Right, there we go. Just give that a wee minute. And then you'll see how it kind of pops out. So that's how it will be, how it looks when it's standing. Obviously it won't be as flimsy then, once we've got all the mats and layers on. So we're going to call this panel and this panel A, and then you don't even need to do that panel, to be honest, at the back. But once it's open, you can actually see in there. So that's how I was decorating it. So that's panel A, and B. Where's my white pen? And I'll just write that down. I'm going to cover this up anyway. Oh. A. Come on, pen work. B. And then A, B. Right, so mats and layers. Let's dive in here. So we want the soft sea foam, which is a pretty colour. Oh, come on out you come. Oops. I'm just going to take some of these scrap bits out because they could be used for some of the panels. Yeah, we'll do that first. I'll use up the scraps first before I cut up that big belly. Right, so you need 4 pieces that measure 5 3/4 by 1 3/4. So that's pieces for pieces A, and A. So, oh, I've got 2 bits in there. Never mind. 5 3/4 by 1 3/4. So there's 1 3/4. There's 2. That's just too short, that one, that's fine. 5 3/4 by 1 3/4. Okay, there's panel 3. 3 of 4. And we can use this bit. Line it up. 5 3/4. That's 4 for the A pieces, and for the B piece we need 2 that's 5 3/4 by 2 3/4. So 5 3/4. Whoa, you can hear that wind. Oh no, it was a car going past. I beg your pardon. I think it was like an electric car or something, it was buzzing. So 2 3/4, because they're slightly bigger panels. So there's 1 of 2. And 2 of 2. The next one we need is for the 6 by 6 piece. So I do need a big sheet. This needs to be 5 3/4 squared, which is easy. 5 3/4 squared. And then we need 1 piece that measures 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. So this little bad boy piece here will fit. So this is for the front. However, the front might be slightly different because, where's my sample? Because we're going to use a different topper. Where did I put the sample card? Oh my goodness, it's not like I've got loads of stuff all over the place. Hang on. Oh, here it is. I'll cut out the mat for this bit, just in case, but we might use a different topper. So right, so what did I say that was? 3 7/8 squared. Oh no, that's not going to be big enough, so I'll need to use my other half piece. 3 7/8. You're all very quiet. Hi Jackie. 3 7/8. Right, that's all the mat layers for the backing pieces. So I'll get them back in my cardstock folder, and then we will cut the designer series paper bits. So I'm going to cut those now. Now it's directional, So we are going to need 4 pieces that measure 5.5 by 1.5. So if you've got directional paper, the 5.5 is down to here. So we need to turn that on its side. So 5.5 by 1.5. So this is the 4 pieces, and obviously what I'll do is I will make sure that the patterns flow in. So let me shift them. So I'll get these little bits out. I think it'll flow anyway. Let me see. No, it will not. Never mind. I'll have the smaller bits flowing in pattern and the other ones I won't. Right, so what did I say? 4 pieces, 5.5 by 1.5. So I'm just going to put them over to the side. Would that fit actually? 2.5, 5. Yeah, it is actually. Yep, it is going to be all right. So 2.5, another 2.5. Yeah, it does fit. Because I'm forgetting you're losing the 1/4 inch. 1.5. Oh, that's good then. You get what I mean. 1.5 and 1.5. So you're only using half a 12 by 12 sheet really for those panels there. I'll leave the 6 by 6 ones just now because I might use a different pattern. So if we stick these together in the meantime, and you can see what I mean, how it just all flows. So that's good. Hello Jan, how are you? Looking forward to seeing you in 10 days or so. So this is all the panels here, so we're going to stick them on. So, right, let's start with the right hand side. And we just need wet glue basically. So little 1/4 inch borders on these. So there's a matte layer. I really need to, when did I get paid actually? I've got to do payroll on the 11th this month. So I think it's a week on Monday, so I'll need to order some more of these. Now, if you do go to my website, you will see this free tutorial. It's a printout that you can print out, obviously. But you can see how I've kind of like categorised all the panels and stuff. Just to make it a little bit easier. Just because there's so many bits. Right, pop that one down. Is that in line? Yes, it is. Look how pretty this is. Look how pretty. Oops. Hope everybody's got a cuppa. I've got one beside me right now. I'm going to take a wee gulp. Because see, when you talk so much, you get dry mouth, don't you? So my youngest son stayed with his, I was going to say his wee pal, but they're not wee, they're all bigger than me. Stayed with his friend last night. So I'm not sure what time he'll come swantering round. Right, so we can see how it's coming together. So I'm just going to flip that over and do the left hand side. This actually doesn't take too long. Jackie's saying, looking forward to it, just started my swapped. Well done. Well done. You'll love it. And I can't wait to get meet you in person. I mean, we talk on video, don't we, as in our other teamies, but seeing someone in person is a whole new level of happiness. We need to get you, there's a special chair in the hotel, Jackie. We need to get each of our photos on that because it's just like a ritual thing now. You've got to sit in this fancy chair. And if that chair fitted in my car, trust me, I'd be taking it home because it's just gorgeous. Beautiful. Right. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty. And I'm doing one of the project makes, which I'm a bit nervous about. I don't know why, but that's just me. So I've got all the packs ready. I just need to be given out. It's always good, I think, to give back to your upline when you can, because your uplines are always so good to you. So I like to give back. Right, so there we go. Oh bless. Right, we're going to do this panel now. So it's a little bit of a smaller group, but it'll be even more intimate than usual. So that's good. Right, how good is that? And like I say, it folds in back in on itself, like so that you can post it. If you wanted, you can put something on the back, but you need to do single panels. I'm not sure where. You could put, you could even write on the inside or what have you, but to be honest, these are kind of made as, kind of like you put them on your fireplace or your mantelpiece and they're just bra. I was so last minute, couldn't volunteer. Oh, don't worry, hon. Hi, Valerie. Sometimes I'll do games or what have you. But you know what? I was having a good day yesterday, and I went and done it. I just done it all in one. So yeah, right. DSP for the front. Oh, we've got this option. We've got the same one here, or I've got this piece. I think that's too busy for the front. What do you think? Let you choose. One, let me move it out of the way. So, 1, 2, or 3, what do you think? It's always good to get other people's perspectives. I hope you're well, Valerie. 2, 1. Ooh. 1. 1. Oh. So you want one, the nice bright one, folks? Okay, okay. Let's do that. Oh, yeah, good. That's quite nice as well, actually, the reverse. Oh, now I'm swithering. Should I maybe do the reverse of that then in Pretty Peacock, because let's see where is my die cuts? Oh my goodness. Where did I put all my stuff? Oh, here it is. You know, when everything's in plastic wallets and plastic holders, it all just looks the same. Reverse, yes. Because I'm thinking, then if we use something like this, it pops even more. This is quite cute as well. Looks awful small for this card though. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Right, okay. Let's do that. We'll use the reverse. So this needs to be 5.5 squared. Feels so sad not using that bit, but never mind. It's getting used, that's the main thing. So 5.5. Keep all these wee bits because you don't know. Perfect. You can have it going across the way, but I think it's more appealing to the eye going up and down. Come on. So, easy peasy, square shape, just match up all the edges. Valerie's by the sea, that's why she's up. Oh. Do you live by the sea, Valerie, or are you on your holiday boats? Oh, look how that's starting to look. That is fab. Right. Let me experiment with this layer. Let's see. Other reverse colours. Ooh. I think I'll do white. I think I'll put white on here. And then we'll just faff about with it and see what happens. Oh goodness, I'm chucking everything everywhere. Oh, weekend away. Lovely, lovely. Right, so this matte piece was 3 7/8 squared. So this one needs to be 3 5/8, which is the one in between a half and 3/4. This would also look nice if you were to round the corners as well. Ooh. Start it. Oh, yeah, I'm going with this. I'm going with this, I'm going with this. So, I think the white on the front makes it, it's kind of pop a wee bit more. Oh, right, I need a sentiment now, so let me think. Now, we could use sentiments out of the ephemera packs if we wanted, but I think, I'm not sure. Let's see now. Oh, right, maybe. We could use, we've got this that's soft sea foamish colour. We've got Love You. Yeah, I think I'll use this. Love You. See, this is going to be really easy. Got lots of gorgeous sentiments in these packs. We've got ones that are in white, but you can colour over the top of them as well if you wanted, with your markers or your stamping blends. Let's see if there's any other sentiment we could add on. I'm so proud of you. Love you, so happy for you. Right, I might use so happy for you. Oh, look how easy that is. A Tricia Live wouldn't be the same without me making all my sound effects with it. Wouldn't you drive some of these crazy? Oh, there's loads of these to choose from. They're just gorgeous. I like this one. It's a Granny Apple Green. Oh, my love and thanks to you. That's quite nice as well. But I'm going to use these, and then I'm going to build up a little cluster in the right-hand corner using the ephemera pop-outs from the Frames and Flowers DSP that I'm using. There is all these flowers as well in the Fully Flowering pack. And we've got the Something for Everything ephemera, and we've got labels and layers. These are really handy. Right, so let's see now. So I'm going to pop this in the bottom left hand corner. Just wee dots of glue. It'll get all over your fingers, but it's fine. If you were die cutting words out, obviously you could use your oh, right, wait there now, because this isn't stuck down. I'm going to stick it down squint there. You could use your double-sided adhesive, which I've got lots of. Right, I'm going to stick this on with, I'm not going to use dimensionals because I'm finding, I don't know if you guys got these, but it's great for quick panels. Is the foam adhesive sheets, and you just cut it down to what you want. And I just think these are great. Where's my scissors? Say hi if you're watching. I see Valerie's saying hello to Shaz. Hello, Shaz. Oh, I love the sound of that when you're cutting through this. It's that thick. So these come in, what size are these sheets? 5 by 5. And I think, yeah, I've got 2 packs. There's 6 of them, and they do go kind of far, to be honest. And they're much better. The backing comes off good. I need to stand up to put this on straight. Straight-ish. Ish is my favourite word. If you put ish at the end of everything, you get away with murder, basically, for mistakes and stuff. Right, I'll put this on last, so let me just set it there. These are just beautiful. Let's see what other ones we've got. Now, in this paper, we've got the little flimmers. You can always 3D those. I'm going to use a couple of them on here because I think it's quite sweet. I don't even think we need any more than that in a couple of wee flimmers, to be honest. Like this one would have been good down the bottom as well, with something in the middle. Right, so this is going down flush. Just a wee bit glue. I'm going to pop it there. I'm going to let it overlap that panel a wee bit. Okay, I might layer this up, I might not. Right, we're going to put this on first. Should I layer it up? I might layer it up in a little tiny bit of that. Yep, let's do that. Wee scrappy piece here. Oh, come on, glue. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So let's just, I don't want it too thick a border. Obviously it's the same colour as the backing there. So if I pop that on, I'm going to get the foam sheet out again. We've got the thin adhesive sheets as well. Strips, these are good too. They last forever as well. You know what it's like, you use the, hi Emma, you use these things for certain types of cards and what have you. Right. So, this is beveled slightly, just the way that I've stuck it down. If we put that there, looks nice. I'm going to put a little bit dimensional under here because I forgot there's a little tiny bit of a lip. If I just get a dimensional, pop it on the back, there we go. That brings it up to the same kind of level. I do like it, I do like it. Right, now we have to put these little cute wee flowers. Right, if I pop one, if you run out of these little die cuts, I think I'll put that one here actually. You could all, oh, or will I? No, I'll put it down here. You could always fussy cut the wee flowers out from the DSP if you've got any little bits. Right, I'm going to put this one down here with the dimensional. I've got sticky stuff everywhere. Hey, hey, for the sticky stuff. Oh, Emma's at work. Really should go back and watch her Saturday Lives. Been working every Saturday lately, so missed quite a few. Oh, bless. Bless. Right, do I want that? I'm going to put that on too, actually. So, you can layer these up to get more height. But obviously the more you layer it up, the thicker your card is if you're going to be posting it out, so just bear that in mind. And I'm going to miss you not going to the retreat, honey, but I'll probably see you at the next one. Hi, Ruth. Right, I think that's plenty. We need some bling on it though. Let me get this rubbish away. So if we get a little bit of bling on it. These are just absolutely gorgeous. And don't forget there's a full sheet as well of, you know, like your matte panels. You can cut these up. You don't need to use them as full panels, but there's lots of gorgeous uses for it. And like I say, the sketch challenge card, that's what I used. Now they're smaller than the normal C6 UK size, so I just trimmed my card down accordingly. It still fits in the envelope and still looks good. Right, so we need some bling. Now, basic rhinestone jewels. What other ones are? These ones are new. Basic green, smoky slate. Neutrals always go nice. We have this one carried over. It's adhesive back trio. We have some pretty peacock in there. Might use them. You can even pop a wee bit of gold in there if you wanted. I need to buy more of these actually. These carried over, the brushed brass butterflies. This is all I've got left. But they look quite nice around the flower piece. Oh, that was in there. There we go. Let me put that back because I don't want to lose those. What else do I have? Oh, they're all squished in here. Ooh. So, we also have these that are the rainbow adhesive back dots. So we've got the pool party ones there. We've got the glossy dots. Don't want to use any of those, not the right colours for this. So do we want pretty peacock sequins or should we go with the adhesive back dots in pool party? Let's see. Pretty peacock or pool party? Because, well, pool party is awfully close to that, so we maybe want this, yes, sequins to give a wee bit more. Boop. Oh, sequins dots. The next one decides. Let's see. Sequins or dots. Let's see. Is there anyone else going to suggest sequins or dots? Sequins. Right, we'll go with sequins. Thank you, ladies. The reason this is cut in half is because it didn't fit in my little storage box. So, oops. One just fell off. Don't be doing that. Right, take your pick tool. And we'll just dot 3 around here in a wee triangle kind of shape. One there. We'll get these 2 little ones used. One there. And I'll put one there. Oh, I don't know now. We'll take that off. I'm going to bring that closer in there. Bring this closer. They are easy to move if you don't completely press them down. There, that'll do. Hello Heidi, how are you? Right, this is looking gorgeous. You'll know I'm going to put a little bit of Stella on some of the elements of this card. Let me just get all those sequins away out the road. My box lid is broken. Got this out of B&M, but it's not, it was nice and cheap, but it's not hardy enough for someone that's using it daily. Right, okay, so take your pick tool out the way. Go bring this down a wee bit, and hopefully it's confab. What is the tool you're using? So this is the, oh, I think I've brought it down too close. This is the Take Your Pick tool. So on one end we've got the putty that can pick up sequins or little tiny pieces of paper. Also good if you drop something on the floor and can't quite reach it, you can pick it up. These come out and you just basically twist it until it gets all the putty. But to be honest, I've got 2 of these and I've never changed the putty yet. I've even got refills that have never been used. So this really is a good wee tool. This one here, so we've got a really sharp pokey tool, and then on the reverse we've got the little palette thing that you can use for scooping. We also have, that's my spare because we've got 2 of these. We also have this one, the double-ended scorer. You've got the small piece and the larger piece, that interchanges as well. And you can also have the brush tip for rolling out die cut bits from your delicate die cuts. And there is a new one in the new catalogue, which I still need to buy actually. I really must get my inventory list sorted. Right, where's tools? Tools. Let's see. Take Your Pick and accessories, 94. Oh, don't think it shows it in here. Oh yes, here it does. So we've got like a little wheel thing that does a perforated edge. So you can either use that for doing lines so that you could score, or you could do it as an effect on your card. You can maybe do lines just to give yourself a background or something. And I think that was it. Oh, so this is a pack of 3. So we've got the craft knife in there as well, and another piece, which I can't remember what that is. Maybe one of the ladies will show that. But they Take Your Pick, it's just over a tenner. I've got 2 just because if I can't get my first one within hand's reach, I've got a second one sitting somewhere. And it's always good to have 2 of these things. Right, so Wink of Stella. So let me add, now you don't need to overpress these. You do that to get more stuff to come out, but I always end up pushing it too much and too much comes out. So I just work with the wetness of the tip, because when the lid's on it stays moist all the time. So I'm just colouring the little orange pumpkin pie coloured flowers. Excuse me. That looks beautiful. And I'll just go over the love you. See, I've got glue on here and I shouldn't have rubbed that with my fingers. Always be careful. And I've scrubbed my hands. I'll always wash my hands before I start crafting. But it's amazing when you're touching glue and stuff how mucky you can get. Come on, off you come. There you go. Don't be shy. Ta-da! Perfect. So I think I've got 2 or 3 of these that are almost finished. So what I do is, to get the last out of it, excuse me, is you open them up, you prise this little black bit off, and then you add some alcohol solution, give it a good shake, and then it kind of clears out the last of the insides. I've got 2 that are brand new sitting in my cupboard over there, but I want to get as much out of these as possible, because I do go through them quite a bit. Right, let's go up a little bit. Whoops, come on, don't be shy. I think it doesn't like being bent down so much. Sorry if it's making you dizzy. What time are we at? Oh, 10 minutes to go, that's not bad. So this is our finished card. And it's just gorgeous. I need to go up a bit again, sorry. It's just gorgeous. So we've done all the panels and the pictures flow across all the panels. stands up really nice like this when it's on your mantelpiece or your fireplace. So depending on how well you score it, it might look like that. It might look like that. But it's just, it's a showstopper. Brilliant, isn't it? And then it just folds in, and then you pop it in a 6x6 card. Now, I thought I had, I do. No, I don't. I thought I had a 6x6 card sleeve there, but I've all ran out because I've used them for my make and take projects. So look. Very nice and discreet. Ta-da! Brilliant, isn't it? So, that was our Crafty Cat. One of the ladies on my team, Margaret Allison, that had set that challenge last year, I think. And like I say, I had a look to see what a Seagull, flying Seagull fold was, and it's not what this is, it's similar, but I just made up what I thought it looked like, but it turned out okay, so hence why I've done them on measurements. Like I say, this is on the website, so it tells you all the pieces that you need. So you're going to need 3 A4 sheets of cardstock, 1 sheet for your matte layers of cardstock, and a 12x12 sheet of DSP that is enough for the whole card. So not that much materials, but it does make sure that you're using it. And then this is the visual for each of the pieces, which I think helps, especially when it's a fancy fold. So that is on my website. I will try and remember and share the link. But if you go to freebies, go to smithscraftycreations.com, freebies, and just go down the page, you should see it there. There'll be some other ones coming up soon, but there's lots of stuff. Well, ladies and gents, that is all for today. I really like that. Love you, so happy for you. No stamping, no inky fingers, just glue on the fingers. And oh, everybody likes it. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Right, I'm going to go and I'm going to get a fresh coffee. I don't know why my voice went. Next Saturday, my husband, well, next Friday, my husband goes away for his boys or the bros camping trip. Friday, Saturday, back Sunday. So I think I'll do some little gift ideas. I'll maybe redo this little holder, just using different products. So this holds two of those little nail files in there. And if you're sending a large letter, this will go in no problem. So again, that's on my website as well, if anybody wanted a little go. So the ladies that I've put out before, will we get a list of stuff to take? Yes, you will. Yes, you will. You will. He's a land. Samuel either put it in the group or send out a final email. So yes. Yeah, so excited to see you in a few weeks, ladies. Some of you guys. Yay. Right, folks, don't forget, this will be up on YouTube at some point over the weekend, with all the measurements coming up on the screen and what have you. But like I say, it's on the website, lots of different projects. If you're stuck for ideas, just go and give them a go. And help yourself, print it off, give it to a friend if you want, use it in a class. Yeah, help yourselves. That's what we're here for, to inspire and share. Don't forget to email if you're dining at the weekend. Yeah, so Jan's organising the dinners. So remember an email or contact Jan if you want to book a spot. I'm not sure what we're doing yet, Jan. I think we're maybe going to stay in the hotel. There's the three of us from my own team. I think we're going to get takeaway. So yeah, I'll see you all soon. Thanks again for joining me. And if you do make this, be sure to share it in the Crafty Stamping Club group. Or send me a photo and I'll share it for you, I don't mind. And yeah, whatever you're doing the rest of the day, have a good one. I'll probably not be back on because we've got friends coming over later for a wee drinky poo and a game of darts in the man cave. So yeah, I might be a bit tender tomorrow. Right, folks, see you later and thanks again. Bye.